everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping, thank you for clicking that play button. Today we're taking a closer look at our 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. With just over 90,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck does feature a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It is 4-wheel drive, and it does have a clean Carfax with 3 previous owners. At the front of this F-150, you will find it well equipped with high intensity headlights and fog lights and tow hooks integrated into the lower bumper. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see an alloy wheel, 20 inches, wrapped up in a Goodyear tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside of this F-150, you will find it equipped with fixed running boards, tow mirrors, and turn signal indicators integrated into the mirror cap. With this particular F-150, inside you will be met with a black on black theme, and you will have some carbon fiber elements with some chrome and brushed aluminum, and as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Making our way to the back seat, as you can see, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they will be kept comfortable by a flow-through center console, charging as far as a 12 volt, a 110, a USB, and all-weather floor mats. Coming around to the 6.5 foot bed, this particular F-150 comes equipped with a hard bed cover, rear camera with LED lighting, and towing equipment. This F-150 is also equipped with a spray-in bed liner and your Ford Easy Step. And making our way to the driver door, you will see this F-150 is equipped with your keypad. And on the opposite side, you will find all your powered options such as powered windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you have options for your tow mirror lighting, and then your lamp selector with brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. And this particular F-150 is equipped with power adjustable foot pedals. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And located inside the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find a multi-point inspection here. As you can see, the front tires are 5/32 and the rears are 6s, and the brake pads are green, ready to go, along with everything else ready for the next buyer. Upon startup, you can see just over 90,000 miles on the 17 F-150. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you will have a selector for your center screen, cruise control options, and to the right you'll have some media options such as volume and phone connectivity. Bringing our attention to the touchscreen display, this vehicle is equipped with a very clear backup camera, and up top you will have options for your downhill descent, traction control on and off, 4 ways, and auto start and stop. Down below we'll have some simple radio controls, followed up with our climate control, and this truck is equipped with heated front seats here, as you can see. And to the left you will have your 4-wheel drive selector, trailer backup, and your integrated trailer brake controller. And you have some additional power options up front here. You'll have a 12 volt and a 115. And for extra storage and for extra charging, you will have a nice hideaway storage compartment here in the middle with 2 USB chargers. In the middle, you will have a leather wrapped gear shifter here with your manual gear selector and your tow haul mode and sport mode. Followed up with 2 cup holders and a nice deep storage console. And up top we will have our bright LED map lights and our controls for our rear sliding glass. Under the hood you will find your 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine with your aftermarket cold air intake. And as you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this F-150 has received an oil change, fresh cabin air filter, and a new PA state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm going to go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on the 17 F-150. Keep in mind, it is a pre-owned vehicle, not our perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you do have this chip guard. So you will have some minor cosmetic blemishes still on the hood. Looks like a touch-up spot right here. Like I said, not perfect. These are priced aggressively, and they are priced accordingly. Here on the bottom, you will have stone chips here on the bumper. Your tow hooks, they don't look like they were used. Your headlights are clear, no cracks, no condensation, no fogging or anything like that. No curb rash on that wheel. That's just some grease from the tire install that I missed. I do apologize for that. Your badging, you will have some wear and tear on your badging. This coating is starting to come off, and you can see some discoloration here. Your mirror caps, slight discoloration. But as you can see, that's in good shape, no chips or cracks. You are going to have some touch-up spots here on the door handle on the passenger side. As far as the interior is concerned, you'll have some minor cosmetic blemishes, like here on the passenger seat. The headliner looks fairly clean, but no rips or tears or anything like that, and no odors, so the interior is good in that sense. And let's take a look back here. You'll have some slight scratches here by the door handles. All weather floor mats, WeatherTech floor mats here, guys, with this F-150. Like I said, you'll have some small scuffs here within the interior, just like here in the door card. Not perfect, but a nice running truck here at All Things Automotive. Coming around to the bedside, no dents or dings that I'm seeing on this side. Tail lights are clear. Bottom bumper, everything looks good there. Again, the badging, you will have some discoloration there and some scarring here on that molding on top of the tailgate. But your bed on top of the bed rails look good. And you will have some chipping here along the running board. That door card is in good shape. So your running boards aren't perfect. Some of that coating's coming off there. Taking a look at the driver's side mirror cap again, a little bit of discoloration and some discoloration and fading on that F-150 badging. If you want any more information on this F-150, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales, or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, or you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this F-150 does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCollensburg, Pennsylvania. In recap, we just took a look at our 2017 F-150 crew cab 6.5-foot bed. This is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Has tons of comfort and convenience features for this XLT trim with just over 90,000 miles. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.